Welcome to a world where tiny wheels lead to epic adventures. Picture this: a sunny afternoon in the living room, windows open to let in a gentle breeze, with toys scattered across the carpet like treasures waiting to be discovered. In the middle of all this, little Max, just a year old, is giggling uncontrollably. He's perched on his favourite place, the soft playmat covered with pictures of roads, bridges and buildings. And in his tiny, curious hands is his prized possession, a bright red toy car. For Max, the living room isn't just a room. It's a bustling city where the floor is the road, the couches are mountains, and the coffee table is a bridge stretching across wide rivers of imagination. Today, Max decides it's time to explore. With a sudden squeal of excitement, he sets his car on the road and pushes it forward, with the determination of a seasoned driver. The toy car zooms under chairs, skids past a stack of books, and takes a dramatic leap off the edge of a pillow. It's a daring stunt that earns Max cheers from the sidelines. Well, the sidelines being Mom and Dad watching from the couch. But Max isn't done yet. He grabs the blue car next, the tow truck, and, with a proud grin, hooks it up to the red car. With his newfound team, he sets off on the next adventure. This time, the journey takes him all the way across the living room to his toy box. He stops and gently loads a tiny stuffed bear into the tow truck's back seat. It's official, this baby knows how to carpool. His giggles fill the air as the red car leads the way once more. But here's the best part. Max's cars aren't just toys. They're vehicles for bonding and creativity. Dad slides onto the floor with his own grown-up collection of toy cars, reminiscing about how he played just like this when he was Max's age. Together, the two set up ramps with hardcover books and invent traffic jams involving blocks and stuffed animals. Mum joins in with a surprise twist. She picks up Max's yellow school bus and whispers, "What if this bus needs to pick up passengers?" Max watches wide-eyed as Mum carefully loads tiny figurines onto the seats. Inspired, Max waves goodbye to the passengers as they drive off, their next stop being the kitchen, naturally.